Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. In fact, the website link is in the description of today's YouTube video. But let's get started with the S&P 500 here, currently trading at 5,290. Yet again, we have seen some late session buying here. This marks the third session in a row, and that tells me that the bulls are prepared to do what it takes to kind of protect this index. With that being the case, I still believe that we are on track to going and achieving a brand new all-time high here, which will likely be at 5,400 due to its large psychological presence. We're in this five-wave structure here where we continue to trade within this fourth to fifth wave, and as I mentioned, I do believe that we are going to trade to a brand new all-time high. Of course, the previous all-time high was set back on the 23rd of May, up at around 5,350. I think a breakthrough there, then of course you're only 50 points away from hitting that 5,400 mark. Two other charts that you should pay very close attention to here for the indexes is of course the TNX, the 10-year bond yield for the US government. Again today we're down 1.37%, trading at 4.332%. It was just yesterday that I said if we broke below the lows that we formed back in mid-May, that would then likely open up a trapdoor where we would probably fall down towards 4%. And of course for US dollar, the dollar was actually up today, up around 0.09%. So you could even call it flat. It did pair some of its gains late on in the session, but of course I am expecting a follow-through movement towards the downside here for the US dollar, which would of course act as a tailwind for US equity prices.